Hello students, today we are going to learn the endocrine system. The endocrine glands play a crucial role in our development and behavior. They secrete specific chemical substances called hormones, which control some of our behaviors. These glands are called ductless glands or endocrine glands because they do not have any duct, unlike other glands, to send their secretion to specific places. Hormones are circulated by the bloodstream. The endocrine glands form the endocrine system of the body. This system works in conjunction with different parts of the nervous system. Okay, the whole system is thus known as neuroendocrine systems. First, we have listen pituitary gland. This gland is situated within the cranium just below the hypothalamus. The pituitary gland is divided into an anterior part pituitary and posterior pituitary. The anterior pituitary is directly connected with the hypothalamus, which regulates its hormonal secretions. The pituitary gland secretes the growth hormone and many other hormones which direct and regulate the secretion of many other endocrine glands found in our body. This is why the pituitary gland is known as the master gland. Okay, pituitary gland is the master gland. Okay, some hormones are secreted as a steady rate throughout life, while others are secreted as an appropriate time in life. For example, the growth hormone is released steadily through childhood, with some spot during adolescence, but gonadotropic hormones are secreted at the age of puberty, which stimulates the secretion of appropriate sex hormones among boys and girls. As a result, primary and secondary sexual changes take place. Next, we see thyroid gland. This gland is located in the neck. It produces thyroxine that influences the body's metabolic rate. Optimum amount of thyroxine is secreted as regulated by an anterior pituitary hormone, the thyroid stimulating hormone TSH. The steady secretion of this hormone maintains the production of energy, consumption of oxygen, and elimination of wastes in body cells. On the other hand, underproduction of thyroxine leads to physical and psychological lethargy. If thyroid gland is removed in young animals, their growth is stunted and they fail to develop sexually. Next, adrenal gland. This gland is located above each kidney. It has two parts, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Each secretion different hormones. The secretion of adrenal cortex is controlled and regulated by adrenocorticotropic hormones, that is called ACTH, secreted by anterior pituitary gland. When the secretion of adrenal cortex goes down, anterior pituitary gets the message and increase the secretion of ACTH, which stimulates the adrenal cortex to secrete more hormones. The adrenal cortex secretes a group of hormones called corticoids, which are utilized by the body for a number of physiological purposes. For example, regulation of minerals in body, particularly sodium, potassium, and chlorides. Any disturbance in its function seriously affected the function of the nervous system. Okay, students, that's all. Thank you.